This is a homage beat.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Stance Addicts, here we are with the homie Trippy Trev in the building. We're about to do front lip kit install on his Subaru.
I think it's gonna turn out really great. I mean, all the time that we did painting it, prepping it,
Yeah, it was
it's gonna be
worth it.
worth it.
It looks.
If you guys want to see that video, there's
yeah.
a link up in the video right here. Just click it.
Take you to that painting video. It came out amazing, just with 60 bucks. Spray cans. You guys could do it yourselves. Also, stay tuned. Got a homie Alex gonna surprise us with his new whip.
You got it?
Yeah, he's gonna come through. So you guys will be checking that out in this video too. And yeah, guys, like always, I'm glad you guys made it back. We're dropping videos. I hope you enjoyed the last video of cutting the springs on the Subaru. You know, look, just makes a big difference. It was intense and scary, not gonna lie.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, so if you guys haven't checked that video out, click that video up here too. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, guys, that helps us out a lot. It's been so exciting. We've been doing back-to-back videos. No, look what we got in the house, dude. Damn. Wow. Check this out, guys. Hella sick. Damn, Alex.
S2K.
Holy shoot. How you been? Good.
What's up, man?
People missed you, eh? What do you think, dude? Holy damn.
I like the rim.
Dude, that's so clean, bro. That's it. Hard top, way. That's hard, way.
It's nice. I like it a lot.
It is, huh? The hard top. That's AC in it.
Yeah. I think it's beautiful.
That thing is sexy as hell. With the exhaust.
I should have picked this one up instead.
Dude, guys, comment down below. Tell us what you guys think about the new whip.
Dude, you got a good deal.
You could do so much stuff with these cars, bro. Damn. Wow, dude, I'm freaking amazed.
Mm-hmm.
This thing sounds with that exhaust. What do you think, Trevor?
I think it's nice.
Alex? Yeah.
The boy?
Damn, bro. Brand new or what? Yeah. Hell yeah. Is that a hard top too?
Yeah.
Damn. Nice.
Coilovers, exhaust. What can you do with an S2K?
Everything?
Alex, S2K. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure to follow him. He probably have a new name by this time.
Nah,
No? Alex S2K?
I'll change it.
He's gonna change it. Alright, guys, but back to this video on how to install this lip kit right here. Well, it's not how to install, we're just gonna install this lip kit. And yeah, let's get to this, guys. Hit the springs off yesterday.
Good.
She was scary though.
It was.
Yeah, dude.
Should see the
We're grinding that thing inside there without the wheel off.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah. It landed.
We got Trevor in the building. He's looking kind of shy right now.
Doesn't have a hat today.
This is a before. Check it out, guys. This is what we had painted right here. Let's take it to the sun real quick. You guys can see that glow up, that shine, metallic. If you guys want to know how to learn how to paint like this, make sure you watch that video. That looks hella good, bro. It looks sick, dude. Damn. Yeah, with the Carnage, it's gonna be even better. You get yourself a lip kit, $110 from eBay. painted for $60 from Automotive Touch Up. And it looks like there's probably already existing holes in the bumper.
But he has all the key
They should just bolt on. That's what I'm thinking. Wait,
DJN.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay.
easy, no drilling.
Yeah.
Yep. It's gonna be so simple then.
Yeah.
All right, guys. It looks like it's just bolt on. It already has the existing holes. This thing should have fat lips in 30 minutes. Guys, let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's get it there, man. We're 100 people away. Yeah, let's get it.
I just need a. There we go.
You found the hole?
Yeah. Finally
Nice.
found the hole. All white Air Forces.
It looks like you're back from the future.
Those shoelaces tie themselves.
I need to put on those first.
What?
Instead of the lip, the canards before. Because,
For the lip?
yeah. I just realized that.
In other words, you messed up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, make sure to put in good 3M tape. You're gonna need it for the canard piece here. But make sure you guys put this in first before you put the lip on. What's going on, Trevor?
Can I take this apart?
You should put like an artificial nail on your thumb.
No.
Hold on here. Let me see.
Artificial nail.
It's right here. We're really struggling with this bumper now. All right, guys, we're having really trouble putting this lip on. It's actually harder than expected. Have all the time in the world, I would remove the bumper. We're just lazy, huh?
Yeah.
And this guy has to go to church. Because we had to drill new holes, it looks like it. It's kind of hard drilling holes under the slip. Something about these canards, guys, it doesn't flex very good. We got, what, 3 hours into this already?
Is it really? Have we really?
I'm having trouble.
You got a nut?
Huh?
You have the nut?
You need me a nut?
Can you hand me your nut?
Alright, here's my nut.
It's not busted?
It's not busted yet. Try not to bust that nut because that's the last one nut we got.
Oh, we got plenty more. Top of this fire.
Are you used to losing your nuts?
Still have it.
3M tape going on right now. It's kind of lifting a little bit.
Pretty good. It's just, it was a hassle putting this thing on, but it's worth it. It's really worth it, honestly.
Using a heat gun, a little bit of heat should work.
That's good. This just bugs me.
Just a little piece right there lifts for some
What should I
reason.
do?
Okay, guys, what we did here, we actually fixed it. You guys see it's not sticking out anymore. We ended up putting a screw that it came with, just screwing it in ourselves to the lip, the canard, and the bumper, and it worked perfect. One side is done,
Up to the next.
not to the other side. But so far, dude, it's looking more aggressive.
Oh, good. It actually has a lip now. It's not bare butt, dude. It looks way more better, man. It looks, I just think I should put on here that I haven't thought about or anything. I would actually like the comments and everything to know what I could actually be able to do to my vehicle to make it more authentic and more unique. More unique.
We're about done, guys. Last bolt going in, though. We forgot that on the other side we always had an issue with the alignment on the bumper, so that's why that little flap stuck further than this one, because this one sat flush, as you guys can see. What do you think about the Subaru? Yeah, it's good. What do you like of it? The bumper. Can you bag it? Right.
I think it's done.
It's done. We're done. It's a complete job. Should take 2 hours. Get the right tools. You're gonna have to like Mickey Mouse it yourself. And for those who are wondering how it rides with the cut springs,
Right, just like normal, like if it was just stock regular struts and springs, but just a little more lowered. It's the same thing.
Bumps, huh?
It helps the bumps in the front, because the front, it would be just like,
yeah. I mean, the shocks are shot, so
yeah. Might as well before I put on my suspension, my airbags. So right now, we really didn't care, because either way, it's already shot. So might as well look nice and be shot than be shot and not look nice.
Drop it. See how it looks now. It's probably gonna land on the cat. Looks like we have an STI in our freaking house. The whole front end looks way different now, dude. Look at that, dude.
See, it looks so different. It makes it look like the front's not even naked. Or happy for this. I'm so happy we did this. Oh yeah.
You guys have it, man. The new lit front kit on the Subaru looks so sick, guys. Look at that. You guys can see right there, it looks so good. It doesn't look plain anymore. If you love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. If you guys enjoyed the Subi content these few weeks, there's more to come, more plans, more everything, more mods, man.
Way more.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. I'm telling you guys are gonna miss out on a lot of content here. You know, we still got SRT4 over there, shaved bay, Subaru, getting wide fenders and bag. We got my brother's SRT4. We got Evil. Hopefully trying to go some crazy mods too, huh? New wheels. See if you guys, hey, comment down below if you want him to wide body his Evo X, Peter. That said, you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay positive, keep building your rides. Inspire everybody else, and yeah, guys, show that love like that, guys. We're out. Peace.